Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the world of that can give your skin a beautiful, radiant glow, all using natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. In a world where skincare products are often filled with chemicals and artificial ingredients, many of us are turning back to nature. After all, the best remedies often come from the earth itself. So, if you're someone who prefers and wellness solutions over conventional medicine, this video is just for you. Let's start with a classic, the banana face pack. This one's close to my heart because it's simple, effective, and reminds me of my culture and heritage. You know, growing up, we always turned to natural ingredients for beauty, and bananas were a staple. Bananas are like nature's little gift to our skin. They're packed with vitamins A, B, and E, which are all amazing for maintaining skin elasticity, preventing wrinkles, and giving you that youthful glow we all crave. Plus, they're naturally hydrating, so they're perfect if you have dry skin. Now, for this mask, you'll only need one ripe banana. You want to make sure it's nice and ripe, almost to the point where you might think about making banana bread. That's when it's the most potent and packed with all those good-for-you nutrients. Simply mash the banana with a fork until it's a smooth paste. You don't want any big chunks in there. It should be like a luxurious, creamy pudding. Once you've got your banana paste ready, apply a generous layer all over your face, avoiding the eye area, of course. Now here's the fun part. While the mask is doing its magic, find a comfy spot, put on some relaxing music, and just let yourself unwind for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. You'll instantly feel the difference. Your skin will feel baby soft, plump, and super hydrated. Trust me, this mask is a game changer. For best results, use this mask once or twice a week. You'll see a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and radiance. It's like a mini spa treatment right at home. Next up is a super refreshing face pack that's perfect for the summer months or whenever your skin needs a little pick-me-up, the cucumber and lime juice face pack. It's like a tall glass of lemonade for your face. We all know cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, right? They're like nature's little water balloons, packed with electrolytes that replenish and revitalize your skin. And when you combine that with the natural astringent and brightening properties of lime juice, you've got yourself a winning combination. Lime juice is a natural exfoliant, gently sloughing away dead skin cells to reveal brighter, more even-toned skin. Plus, it's rich in vitamin C, which is a powerhouse antioxidant that helps fight free radical damage and boost collagen production. To make this mask, you'll need half a cucumber and the juice of half a lime. Start by grating the cucumber finely. You want it to be almost like a pulp. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lime and mix it well. Apply this refreshing mixture all over your face, avoiding the eye area. You can even place cucumber slices over your eyes for a cooling and depuffing effect. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 minutes. As you relax, the cucumber will soothe and hydrate your skin, while the lime juice works on brightening and evening out your complexion. It's like a mini facial at home. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with cool water and pat your skin dry. You'll be amazed at how refreshed, revitalized, and radiant your skin looks. It's the perfect pick-me-up for tired, dull skin. This mask is ideal for hot summer days or after sun exposure as it helps to cool and soothe the skin. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Now let's talk about a mask that's perfect for achieving that coveted dewy glow, the papaya and honey pack. This one's a personal favorite because it not only brightens my complexion, but also leaves my skin feeling incredibly soft and supple. Papaya is like a secret weapon for glowing skin. It's packed with an enzyme called papain, which is a natural exfoliant that gently removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Plus, it's rich in vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage and promote collagen production. And we all know how amazing honey is for the skin, right? It's a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. It also has antibacterial properties that can help with acne and breakouts. To make this glow-boosting mask, you'll need about half a cup of ripe papaya and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Scoop out the papaya flesh and mash it well with a fork. Then, add the honey and mix it until you have a smooth paste. Apply this luxurious mixture all over your face, avoiding the eye area. You can even use it on your neck and décolletage. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. While you wait, the papaya enzymes will gently exfoliate your skin, while the honey deeply nourishes and hydrates. It's like a mini spa treatment right at home. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll instantly notice a difference in your complexion. Your skin will look brighter, more even-toned, and have that beautiful, healthy glow. It's like you've had a facial. This mask is perfect for achieving that dewy look and is suitable for all skin types. Use it once or twice a week for best results. Let's be real, sometimes our skin needs a little extra TLC, especially if it's feeling sensitive or irritated. That's where the oatmeal and yogurt face pack comes in. This mask is like a warm hug for your skin. It's soothing, calming, and incredibly gentle. Oatmeal has been used for centuries to soothe and calm irritated skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce redness, itching, and irritation. Plus, it's a natural cleanser that gently removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Yogurt is another amazing ingredient for sensitive skin. It's rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help balance the skin's microbiome and strengthen its natural barrier function. Plus, it contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps brighten and even out skin tone. To make this soothing mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal and 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. If you have dry skin, you can also add a teaspoon of honey for extra hydration. Combine the oatmeal and yogurt in a bowl and mix well until you have a smooth paste. Apply this gentle mixture all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. As the mask sits on your skin, the oatmeal will soothe and calm any irritation, while the yogurt gently exfoliates and nourishes. It's like a spa treatment for sensitive skin. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll be amazed at how soft, smooth, and calm your skin feels. It's the perfect antidote to stressed out skin. This mask is ideal for sensitive or combination skin types and can be used 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Let's talk about a mask that's perfect for those of us who want to brighten our complexion and fade away any acne scars or dark spots, the Honey and Lemon Face Pack. This one's a powerhouse combination that delivers amazing results. We already know how amazing honey is for the skin. It's hydrating, antibacterial, and full of antioxidants. But did you know that lemon juice is also a skincare superstar? It's a natural source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps brighten skin tone, fade dark spots, and boost collagen production. Lemon juice also contains citric acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. However, it's important to note that lemon juice can be sensitizing, so it's best to do a patch test on your skin before applying it all over your face. To make this brightening mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Combine the honey and lemon juice in a bowl and mix well until you have a smooth paste. Apply this potent mixture to your face, focusing on areas with acne scars or dark spots. Avoid the delicate eye area. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, which is normal. While you wait, the honey will deeply nourish and hydrate your skin, while the lemon juice works on brightening and fading any discoloration. It's like a natural bleaching agent for your skin. After 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll instantly notice a difference in your complexion. Your skin will look brighter, more even-toned, and any acne scars or dark spots will appear lighter. This mask is ideal for those looking to brighten their complexion and fade away blemishes. However, due to the lemon juice, it's best to use it only once a week and always follow up with a sunscreen during the day. So there you have it, my loves. 5 amazing homemade face packs that will transform your skin and give you that natural, radiant glow we all crave. Incorporating these homemade face packs into your skincare routine can lead to healthier, glowing skin without breaking the bank or harming the environment. Remember that consistency is key. Give these masks time to work their magic. And don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your skin type. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. Don't forget to comment below which face pack you're excited to try first, or share any other natural remedies you love. We have plenty more tips on natural and homemade skincare coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Always consult with a dermatologist if you have specific skin concerns or conditions before trying new skincare remedies at home.